You guys, welcome to the first episode of today's short-term rental home tour on Smith Lake with your host, Jason Will. I'm the broker owner of JWRE. Today we're at 117 Turtle Point and one of my favorite spots on Smith Lake. We're in Silverock Cove. This unit here sleeps 11. It's got stunning lake views and it is super elegant and cozy inside. I can't wait to show you. This is definitely going to be a spot that you are going to be so happy you booked a vacation here for those folks that are just in love with Smith Lake like I am. We've got a community pool right here to my left, and there's a secondary community pool up on the upper level of the community. I'm going to give you some visuals of all that, and plus you can bring your boat. There's a boat launch. The boat launch is literally on the other side of us over here. So what else do you need other than to see the rest of the property? So let's go take a look. All right, y'all, we're gonna get started in the kitchen because this is the first stop as you walk in the front door from the front porch area there. And as you can already hopefully tell, we've got a lot of good prep space, gathering space, socializing space here in the kitchen. It's got all the amenities, or probably most of the amenities, modern amenities you have at home. So you're bringing those to the lake with your stainless steel appliances, your granite countertops, your Wi-Fi routers right here, and password codes, all that stuff is right there. We've got a half bath to my left right here, and we're about to make our way into the main living area. And just wait till you see this view. Something special. All right, before we move on, let's get you a close-up. I mean, good gracious. Is that awesome or what? All right, well, before we start exploring the dining living combo space here, I did just want to point out that your parking passes are right here on the bar. So you'll want to get those hung on your rearview mirror soon after you get checked in and settled in. But the first thing we have here is just an incredibly beautiful rustic, looks like antique dining room table, super quaint, lots of character. But more than that, it's got plenty of space to accommodate you and your guests during your stay. This living room area here, in my opinion, is for the adults, okay? This is where the parents stay. Downstairs is where the kids have their own dedicated space. But we got a wall-mounted TV here, and just shy of floor-to-ceiling window views to take in like panoramic visuals of this serene lake. And you can see from my vantage point, but not yours, that there is just a slow and steady grade down to the lake. So there's not a lot of stairs. And your first come, first serve boat slip area is right here in front of you. So I know where I'm staying, places where I bring my boat, I want to see it. If I can't see it, then I'm going to check on it a ton of times. And so all you got to do is just look out these windows and keep an eye on it from there. So that's super attractive in my opinion. All right, so let's go downstairs and check out the kiddo space, and then we'll finish up upstairs. Okay, the bunk room, as you can see here, has a door on it, so it can be closed for privacy. You know, if some of the kids want to come in here and go to sleep and some of the others want to stay up, this has got that accommodation. And then adjacent to the bunk room is a full bathroom. So they've got everything they need essentially down here. You know, they've got their TV, they can have their electronics down here. They got their bathroom, and they've got their own dedicated space. So this is really, really cool. And they can come in and out from the lake here on their own. They've got dedicated access to the rear deck area, the grilling porch, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So that's attractive. You don't have a bunch of in and out upstairs in your main living area while you're trying to socialize or while the adults are trying to have a little adult time. So this is a great spot here. I don't think you can see it from your vantage point, but they've got the outdoor lighting here above me. Really long sectional couch there. Some extra seating here. You've got your grill out here. This is just a great place to socialize, maybe read a book, just relax after, you know, some time in the sunshine on the boat. So this is going to be where you're going to be spending a lot of your time. Hey, welcome upstairs. Hey, before we get started, I want to give you a little lay of the land here. We've got your stackable washer and dryer closet right here. This is your guest bedroom here for the adults. It's got big king size bed in it, and it's got its own bathroom. Behind the camera, we have the master suite, and this is one of those master suites that you're going to be sad when you're not waking up to it. When your vacation's over and you don't get to wake up to this amazing view, and I would think that this view has also turned a lot of Smith Lake vacationers into Smith Lake residents. That same nearly floor to ceiling glass that we have in the main living level below us, you have it up here in the master suite. And just check this out, y'all. I mean, this is a serious amenity, at least for me. I don't know about y'all, but this is serious. Like waking up every morning to this view is just going to just be like icing on the cake, I think, this like just incredible vacation spot. Now, depending on what time of year you're going to be here, you may or may not need to use the fire pit, but this is a community fire pit area. And it just kind of depends on what kind of weather we're having, because there's been many summer nights where it's been, you know, 85 degrees during the day when we've been on the boat and tubing and stuff. And then we come back here in the evening and there's just enough of that slight chill in the air to enjoy the fire pit in the evening. All right, this is your boat parking area. And again, it's right directly in front of your unit. So you can keep an eye on your boat here, but they've got several boat cleats here for securing your boat. And they've got rubber all around the perimeter of the space, but you are going to want to bring your bumpers here because this area can get a little rocky. There's going to be, you know, some pretty substantial boat traffic here during the seasonal months. But in addition to this being your boat parking area, this is also a prime hangout spot for both residents and guests of Silverock Cove. You'll see a lot of kids swimming off the dock here. You'll see adults, you know, kind of hanging out off the back of their boats and lily pads and rafts, you know, maybe enjoying the radio and the sunshine. So it's very social down here on the docks. There is Triple Creek Marina just up the lake from where we are here, maybe 10 minutes tops by boat. And then we have a cool area called the Rock where my kids love to jump off the rock. And I know yours will too. That's also a place where a lot of people gather by boat, set up lily pads and let the kids jump and hang out for a little bit. So some cool little spots here close by in boat ride distance. All right, we're going to wrap up here at the clubhouse pool. This is the primary one of 2 community pools here at Silverock Cove, but this is where it's all happening. This is the big hangout spot here. You can see we've got a massive decking area, a truly luxurious pool, beautiful lakefront setting, but you've got a grassy area here, cornhole board set up over there. So the kids want to throw the football, maybe a frisbee, do cornhole. There's a grilling station over there. So this is just a great place to make a day of it at the pool. You know, maybe the moms want to hang here with some of the younger kiddos while the big kids and the boys are out tubing on the lake. What more could you ask for?